Hello guys. Today I will show you how to get root access in any VPS non-root NV. Currently I am using Replit. You can use any VM workspace. See step by step. First we need to make an account. Now we need to set .username and full name. Click on Continue with Starter. And click Import Code or Design. And click Empty and create empty project. Wait for some time. And click on Plus. And click on Shell. Copy this and paste on Shell. And join my Discord server. Link in description. Again, wait for some time. And run bash setup.h. Now you are ready to enjoy your free VPS. Make sure to like, share, subscribe.